I, Sanjay Kumar, a start determinant. In previous class, we have read about matrix and algebra of matrix. Before going adjoint and inverse of a matrix, we must know about determinant. Hence, we start determinant. After determinant, we again study adjoint and inverse of a matrix. What is determinant? Any four number A, B, C, D are arranged in two rows and two columns between two vertical bars form what is called a determinant of second order or second order determinant, written as A, B, C, D. Its value is leading diagonal A into D minus B into C. AB is first horizontal line called first row. CD is in second row. In first column is element of AC. In second column element BD. Similarly, it be written in third order A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. It has three rows and three columns. In first row, elements are A, B, C. In second row, elements are D, E, F. In third row, elements are G, H, I. In first column, element is A, D, G. In second column, elements are B, E, H. In third column, elements are C, F, I. Corresponding to every square matrix A, there exists a number called the determinant of a square matrix A and usually denoted by determinant A or determinant A or det A. Determinant of a square matrix of order 1 is defined as matrix A11 in vertical line called determinant A11 equal to A11. If A is a matrix of element A11, this matrix is order of 1 into 1, then determinant of A11 equal to A11. That means the determinant of a square matrix order of 1 1 has matrix that element is value of A11, not its sign. Value of A matrix A11 equal to determinant of A equal to A11. Similarly, determinant of a square matrix of order 2 is defined as A is a square matrix of order 2, A11, A12, A21, A22, then determinant of A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Its value is leading diagonal, multiply of leading diagonal, then and subtract another diagonal equal to A11 into A22 minus A12 A21. Order of 2 is any square matrix order of 2, its determinant is A11, A12, A21, A22 multiply leading diagonal A11, A22 minus A12, A21. determinant of a square matrix of order 3. Let A is a square matrix of order 3 whose elements are A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Determinant of A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. In earlier classes, we studied suffix 11 is first suffix represent row and second suffix represent column. That means A21 is element of second row and first column. That means second row and first column. Similarly, A32 is element of third row and second column. To find the value of determinant of A, first of all, number of elements in determinant A of order 3 is 3 into 3, number of elements is 9. Find the value of determinant A taking any row or any column. Taking first row. Element lie in this row on this column is omitted, then the element A11 lie in first row and first column. Omitted first row and first column, we get a matrix a determinant of two order A22, A23, A32, A33. Minus A12 element lie in between 1, 2 in first row and second column. Then a determinant obtained of second order A21, A31, A23, A33 plus A13 element lie in first row and third column eliminate, then we get a second order determinant A21, A22, A31, A32 equal to A11, A22 into A33 minus A23 into A32 minus A12, A21 into A33 minus A23 into A31 plus A13 A21 into A32 minus A22 A31. First of all, we evaluate the determinant of third order taking any row or any column. Here 3 row and 3 column. Determinant of A is evaluated in 6 ways. Taking first row or taking second row or taking third row. otherwise taking first column, taking second column, taking third column. Here we take first row A11 element in first column is omitted. Element A11 lie in first column. First column omitted. We get a second order determinant A22, A23, A32, A33 plus again minus 1 to element of first second column is omitted. We get A21, A23, A31, A33. Element 1, 3 lie in first row and third column omitted. We get a determinant second order A21, A22, A31, A32. This get determinant of order 3. Here we put positive, plus or minus depend on suffix. Sum of suffix is positive, even or odd. For example, Aij, sign of Aij equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j. A12, sign of, let me type it. Put positive or negative sign before an element. For example, A11 taking that element lie in which row or which column, sum of row and column is even, then give positive sign. If sum of row and column is odd, then give negative sign. For example, A21, it has second row and first column. Aij, sign of Aij equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j. For example, A21, sign of A21 minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 equal to minus 1 to the power 3, that means minus 1. Sign of A22 equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 minus 1 to the power 4 is positive. If the sign given before the element is sum of row and column of that element is on power minus 1 to the power, sum of row and column is even, sign is positive. If it is odd, sign is negative. Let matrix A is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Then determinant of matrix A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A23, A31, A32, A33. For example, expanding the determinant in second row. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1, A21, A12, A32, A13, A33 plus minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2, A22, A11, A31, A13, A33 plus minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3, A11, A31, A12, A32. equal to minus A21, A12, A13, A32, A33 plus A22, A11, A13, A31, A33 minus A23, A11, A12, A31, A32. Similarly, if we expand along second column, determinant of A equal to second column minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 A12, A21, A31, A23, A33 plus minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 A22, A11, A31, A13, A33 plus minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2 A32, A11, A21, A13, A23. Find the determinant of A taking any row or any column. In 3 order determinant, it has 3 row and 3 column. Hence, we find the determinant of A in 6 ways. Taking along first row, taking along second row, taking along third row, otherwise taking along first column, taking along second column, or taking along third column. Value is same. For example, we take expansion of determinant in second row. Second row, first element is A21. Sign of A21 is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1. A21 lie in second row and first column. Eliminate second row and first column. We get determinant of second order A12, A32, A13, A33. Then comes A22. Element lie in second row and second column, minus 1 to the power 2. To eliminate second row and second column, we get A11, A31, A13, A33 plus A23, element A23, sign of A23 minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3, eliminate second row and third column, we get A11, A11, A12, A31, A32. Similarly, we expand along second column, we get determinant this value of A is same both cases. Now solve question. Find the value of determinant. Determinant equal to 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 9, 2, 1, 6. Expanding along first row. Determinant equal to 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into 1 4 1 minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 2 3296 plus minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 into 4 3241. Taking along first row, 1 is element in first row and first column, minus 1 to the power row plus column, first row and first column, 1 plus 1. Eliminate first row and first column, we get a determinant of second order 4916 plus first row and second column element is 2. Its sign is minus 1 to the power first row 1 plus second column 2, 1 plus 2. Eliminate first row and second column, we get 3296 plus minus 1 to the power first row and third column, element is 4. Eliminate first row and third column, we get 3241. Its value is plus 1, 4 into 6 minus 9 into 1. 2 plus 1, 3 minus 1 to the power 3 minus 1 into 2 minus 2. 3 into 6, 18. 3 into 6 minus 9 into 2. Minus to the power 3, 1 plus 3, 4. That is even. Plus 4, 3 into 1 minus 4 into 2. We get 24 minus 9 minus 2, 18 minus 18 plus 4, 3 minus 8 equal to 15 minus 2 into 0 plus 4 into minus 5 equal to 15 minus 20 equal to minus 5. Same question, if we expand along third column, we get same result. Allow me second row, third row, otherwise first column, second column, third column, get same result. Expanding along third column, determinant equal to third column and first row and third column is element minus 1 to the power first row and third column, element is 4. 3241 plus minus 1 to the power first row, second row and third column. Eliminate second row and third column, we get 1221 plus minus 1 to the power third row and third column. Element is 6. Eliminate third row and third column, we get 1324 equal to minus 1 to the power 4 plus 4 into 3 into 1 minus 4 into 2 minus 1 to the minus 1 to the power 5 minus 9, 1 minus 4 plus minus 1 to the power 6 plus into 6, 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3 we get 4
into minus 5 minus 9 into minus 3 plus 6 into minus 2, we get minus 5 plus 20 minus plus minus 20 minus 8 minus 28 plus 27. 4 into minus 5 minus 20, 6 into minus 2 minus 12, minus 20 minus 12 minus 32 plus 27 equal to minus 5. We get expanding along first row, determinant is minus 5, expanding along third column, determinant is minus 5. Hence determinant, evaluate determinant along first row, second row or third row, otherwise first column, second column, third column, get the same result. In next class, we'll study minor and cofactor of a determinant to find the minor and cofactor of a determinant.